to the engines. How about we start with Hisan?
저는 개인적으로 Bite Me 추천드리겠습니다. Personally, gusto ko mag-recommend ng Bite Me.
Are you asking them to bite you? Is that Song, what about you?
저도 Bite Me 같아요. ako din, Bite Me.
We have no problem doing that. Nikki, what about you?
Bite Me라고 하려고 했었는데 진영이가 Bite Me라고 저는 몰랐어요. Ako din kasi actually Bite Me, pero they said it so Blossom na lang.
Yeah, it's hard to narrow it down because we love all your songs. But do you guys have any like unforgettable moments that come to mind, like while you guys were filming that you want to share? Jay, do you want to share with us a moment that stands out to you?
Unforgettable moment. First tour in the Philippines, it was Manila. It was also our first concert that we had 3 shows, so I think it was kind of the best moment, one of the best moments.
Interesting. What about you, Sanu?
저도 이제 재희 형이 말했던 것처럼 오늘 여기 이 공연장에서 저희가 그 공연을 한 적이 있었거든요. 그래서 그날이 되게 생각이 많이 나고 또 이렇게 오랜만에 오니까 그 기분도 좋은 것 같습니다.
Just like what Jay said kasi, we had the experience of performing here in Manila, dito sa same venue. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko po at masaya po ako ngayon na bumalik kami dito.
And how happy are we that they're back? Oh my gosh, yes. We are elated. Okay, so not only the engines are excited, I think in Hypen you guys are excited as well to see what videos are gonna come out, right? So let's get to it. Shall we watch our first video, please?
같이
숯불 맛이 나는 게 아니라 신이 나는 거야. 잠깐만, 당했는데. 안마인가. 이 정도 딱 좋아. 아까보다 낫지 않나? 아까보다 낫다. 이게 낫다. 그 기름 때문에 안 탔어. 기름을 많이 뽑아가지고.
There we go. So that was the scene where you guys were grilling meat, but then your grill fire turned into like a campfire. Do you guys still remember what that meat tasted like? Chong, can you remember?
저거 먹었었나요?
Did we eat that ba? Did we eat?
근데 되게 불맛이 되게 강했던 걸로 기억해요.
Grabe talaga yung flavor na smokiness nun eh.
Parang lasang apoy na siya, di ba? What about you, Jay? Do you remember what it tasted like?
Yeah, I just remember because of this video that someone singing fire was really interesting.
That movie was so funny. It's like you were getting excited, with the fire getting really big. It seems though that you guys enjoy meat, right? Would you say that's something that you like to enjoy and it's in your diet? What kind of meat do you guys like? Jake, what kind of meat do you enjoy?
I like Australian a nice juicy steak with some french fries, some chips, some mashed potatoes. Yeah.
Connor, what about you?
닭고기, 소고기, 돼지고기 아주 다 좋아요.
Actually, gusto ko lahat ng types ng meat, yung chicken, pork, beef, kahit ano.
Healthy eaters, yes, we love that. We want you guys to be healthy eaters and be healthy and be active for a very long time, of course. Nikki, what about you?
사실 전 데뷔 초 때는 삼겹살을 되게 싫어했었거든요. 형들이 그 배달 음식으로 거의 매일같이 그냥 삼겹살을 시켜가지고 처음에 싫었었는데 요즘에 되게 좋아하고 엔진분들도 한국에 와서 꼭 드셨으면 좋겠어요.
Madalas kasi yung mga ating mga hyungs, nag-order sila for delivery ng samgyeopsal. Pero hindi siya fan ng samgyeopsal before, pero ngayon na madalas siya kumakain ng samgyeopsal, gusto niya. Kaya yung Philippine Engines, if you go to Korea is the try nyo ng samgyeopsal.
We would love to have samgyeopsal with Hypen in Korea! Oh my goodness, one can dream, one can dream. Okay,